Assalamu alaikum, it's me Inshal once again with you. Today we have another topic which is flow of control. Flow of control and some more about that. Okay? So what a flow of control is? Flow of control means anything, the order in which a program executes instructions. Okay? The order of an performing a work. Okay? The order in which you perform a work, you execute a program. Okay? You execute the instructions. That is named as flow of control. Now, why do we use it? Normally, C++ just occurs from top to bottom, okay? But sometimes we have to make decisions. We have to make the we want the project program to make decisions, okay? To either make decisions or to repeat some task. Then we use this flow of control, okay? Now, some shortcuts that we use here are plus equal to add and assign, okay? Minus equal to subtract and assign, multiply and equal to multiply and assign, divide and equal to divide and assign, modulus equal to remainder and assign, okay? So this is simple. Now another thing, if we write in a C++ program score plus equal to 10, okay? So it simply means that score is equal to score plus 10, okay? That equal to and plus sign, we can, that is a shortcut thing, okay? The shortcuts that I told you, these are some shortcuts that beautify your program and make a program easier to read and to correct your errors, okay? Now flow of control is the path a program follows, okay? There are mainly two paths, branching and looping. Branching means making decisions and looping means just to run a program multiple times, okay, repeating some work. Now if or else statement, this is very important. If or else statement occurs when you have two options, okay? If one statement is true, you give two statements. If the first one is true, the if statement, okay, then your program will run, or if not, then else statement will run, okay? For suppose you have a program. If a worker works for 40 hours, okay, more than 40 hours, his pay becomes double. If not, then his pay remains the same, okay? If the worker has worked for 50 hours, his pay will be double because the if statement will occur here, okay? If not, the else statement will occur and he will get the same amount that is his wage, okay? Now logical operators. AND operator means when both these statements are true, this will occur. And what is the sign for that? To end, okay? Two ends, and that symbol of and we use here, okay? For or, either of these statements is true. When one of the two statements is true, it is known as OR operator. The OR operator will occur, okay? After which, if statement, the thing that I told you, compound statements. If more than one statement runs, okay, then you have to use braces. After that, what are some common mistakes, okay? Number one of the most common mistakes is that people use single equal to sign, and that is not equal to what we say equal is, okay? In C++ we have to use double equal sign. If we are saying that A is equal to B, we have to say A equal to B, okay? So you should not do these sort of mistakes. You should correct these, okay? And now chain comparisons, people say like many programmers write x is less than equal to y, or x is less than y less than z, okay? But that is not correct. What we have to say, what we have to write is that x less than y and, okay, two ends, and z or y less than z, okay? Then the same thing will occur, but this is correct one, okay? Now while loop means repeating a thing, okay? What a loop is, for suppose we have a circle, the circle of life, like, okay, we have this circle. If I point out at this point and I run from here to here, okay, I'll run for continuous times, okay? It is an infinite loop, I cannot escape it, okay? So that is the main sense of loop here. Now do while loop, okay? It is the same as a while loop, but the major difference between both of these is that in a do while loop it has to run at least once. Even if the statement is incorrect, we don't care, it has to run for once. For a while statement, if the statement is not correct, it will not run. But for a do while statement, even if the statement is incorrect, this program will run at least for once. The reason is that a while statement doesn't run first. It checks first, okay? It checks the whole program. What if statement is, what else statement is, and then runs the program, okay? But for a do while statement, it doesn't check it. It doesn't check at all. It firstly runs the program, okay? And while statement uh, can either run for once, for multiple times, or it can run for 0 times, okay? But for a do while statement, it has to run at least for once. Increment and decrement. Increment means adding a number, decrement means decreasing a number. Here we just do 1, okay? Infinite loop. Infinite means a thing that doesn't end, okay? A thing that is going and going and going and going, okay? So we have to stay away from infinite loops. We have to save ourselves from those. How do they occur? For example, we are writing while x is greater than 0, okay? X is equal to x plus 1, okay? This is for this sort of program, it will run forever, because if we add a number, add 1, it will always be always be greater than 0, okay? So our program will run forever, and we have to save ourselves from infinite loops, because these are errors, okay, that we should not do. Now let's summarize all this stuff. If one decision, if or else, we have two decisions. We can make either one decision or the second one. While repeats while condition is true, okay? Do while statement runs at least once even if the statement is incorrect. Addition, okay? The double plus sign, add 1, double minus sign, subtract 1, double equal to sign, equal to comparion, okay? Compare, equal sign, assign values, okay? Double end, equal to end, okay? Double pipelines, or that is straight lines, okay? Or and that single line is equal to not. So these were some of the shortcuts, some of the little summary of this lecture. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.